What's up, my bomb and subscriber squad? What's up, my loves? Welcome. I am your girl, Tonyanicole, and welcome, guys, to my channel. Today, we're going to be doing my Ipsy Glam bag and plus that I received in PR from Ipsy, and I am excited to bust this baby open and see what we have. If you guys want to see what you can expect in your August Ipsy, stay right there, boo. Oh, girl, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Babe, you know it's free, right? All right, loves, as I said before, I'm Tonyanicole. Welcome. Y'all, I just came back off a vacation, and boo, I'm feeling good. I got a whole video coming out on my experience in the desert and how I was like panicking and couldn't take it and everything. So yeah, y'all, that's going to be coming up hopefully at the end of the month. I'm working on it now. Today, before we get started, I want to shout out my 5 first commenters from my last video. Thank you guys so much for rocking with your girl. I greatly appreciate you all. Y'all know I do. I don't have a drink, my loves. I'm sorry. I suck big time, but I'm filming this after work on what today is. Today is Monday. Yes, I'm filming this on Monday and it's like 11 o'clock at night and I have to work tomorrow. So this is going to be a really quick one. So I hope you guys are ready. Let's get some specs and get this baby. Well, we're going to open it first and then do the specs, right? Yeah. Okay, cool. So let's get our little box cutter. Cutter opened. I did not have time to go through and pick out what is supposed to be in here or not. So that's what we're looking like. So y'all have to bear with me because I don't really know. The theme for August is Wanderlust. Yes, recharge, reset, and go off the grid. Discover rare new ingredients. Go wild with madness. Try techniques that soothe your skin and mind. That's what it looks like here. So let's just go ahead and do the Glam bag first. Before we get started, I love the bag. Look at that, y'all. This is gorgeous. It's like a little clutch purse. I could put that under my arm, girl. Okay, so this is very cute. It's like an animal type snake print. I love it. And then the inside is this beautiful green. Now, this one right here retails for $12. You're supposed to get 5 full-size, deluxe-size, sample-size products in here for $12 a month. I do have a link for Ipsy down below, guys, if y'all want to sign up. And we're just going to go through these products really quickly. First up, we have this Beautiful BU brush from Farrah. It's the blender brush right here. And when we slide it off, there we have it, nice and fluffy. I love when they put brushes in the bag, full-size products. I absolutely adore it. So I'm happy to see this first product. Second is from Verso. It's a facial cleanser. You get 25 milliliters of product in it. And let's see if it says anything. Gentle facial cleanser. Girl, I don't know. I guess the rest of this is in a foreign language. I don't know. But you do get 25 milliliters and it is full. So I'm happy to get facial cleansers. I do love them. I love cleaning my face, even though it breaks out. Then we have from Dragon's Blood, Rodal. No, it's from Rodal. This is the sculpting gel in Dragon's Blood. It's hardly anything in here, y'all. It's like this much. Literally, I mean, it's like that. So you get, they say 15 milliliters, I guess, I don't know. Let me see. So it has a seal on it. And this is, it helps define facial contours and add volume to sagging skin. Apply to cleanse face and neck twice a day. So if you got saggy skin, boo, and you need facial contour, you use this. I don't know, but yeah, it's not that much to use, so I don't know how that's gonna work on me. But oh, up next we have from Milk Makeup, and this is what it's looking like right here. Excited for this. This is the lip and cheek in the shade Work. Okay, I'm doing too much, I know. All right, let's see. Oh, this is actually a really pretty color, guys. This is the color. I'm gonna swatch it on my hand. You probably cannot see it because it's so pink, but it actually looked deeper in the little tube. I'm probably not gonna use this. I'll pass it on to like my nieces or something since I swatched it. But I do love Milk Makeup. I just wish that they had a little bit more variety with their products in these boxes. Like, you know, make it available for a variety of skin tones, you know? And then last up, we have from Glow Recipe. This is an avocado melt retinol eye sleeping mask. And I do love Glow Recipe. You get 5 milliliters of product, which is not a lot. This is a brightening and firming mask. All right, let's see. Ooh, okay. Let's see. I don't smell avocado. I don't really smell anything. It's a nice green little mask in there, and I definitely will use this because Glow Recipe is bomb. So let's do a recap really quick on what we got in the Glam bag, and then we're going to move to the plus. So we got this little avocado melt from Glow Recipe. We got this beautiful brush from Farrah. We have this facial cleanser from Verso. I'm stuttering Stanley, y'all. Milk Makeup, this cheek and lip product. And from Rodale, this Dragon's Blood. I mean, I thought that this bag was cute. I like the bag itself. I like that we got a brush, the Glow Recipe product, and the milk product. The only thing I'm kind of disappointed in is this because there's nothing in there really. But everything else, 4 out of 5 is pretty decent. It's not like super duper exciting, but it's okay. It's cool. Let's move on to what I like the most, the plus. And y'all know that it is Ipsy Glam X, so you will not get the plus this month if you get the X unless you sign up for it to take out extra. But they replaced the plus with the X. So this is the bag. I don't really care for this little drawstring bag at all. The color, I don't really like that. But, ooh, wait, these little products, okay. First up, we have from Tarte, and this is the Lights Camera Lashes 4-in-1 mascara here. And we open her up. Ooh, very chic. I thought this was like a tampon holder, y'all. Seriously. I do love mascaras. I love the packaging. I think it's really cute. I am going to save this. I'm not going to open it because I have a lot that I'm using, but I do love Tarte's products. If you use this mascara, please let me know what you thought. And then we have from Florence, and this is Tint and Tame Brow Gel, and it's clear. Okay, I haven't seen this brand in a while in Ipsy, so I'm happy to see them again. This is the packaging here, and this is a tint, I told y'all, it's a clear brow gel. Ooh, okay, so that's how, let me put it like this. So that's how the brush is looking, very small. The product is clear, so this will work with everybody. So I do love that. I love a brow tint in the winter time. I don't really do them too much in the summer because I don't like my brows to look too deep or too like together. So in the winter time, I usually use those. And then we have from Araceli, and this is the Gel Pencil Eyeliner Duo with a sharpener. Okay, wow. So it's in the color black. Oh no, I'm sorry. So bronze and olive, that's the colors there. I'm very excited for this. Now, this is really, ooh, okay. All right, boo. Here is the sharpener. Love it. I always need a pencil sharpener. And this is the first shade, the bronze shade here. And this one is the olive shade. Oh my goodness. Ooh, wait till y'all see these. I will definitely use these. This is gorgeous. Eyeliners, olive right here, and bronze. Beautiful. I will use these on my eyes. They're so buttery and creamy. And we get a sharpener. All right, Ipsy, I'm loving the plus. I am loving the plus. So far, so good. Then we have from Murad, which is a brand that I absolutely love. This is the Hydration Sensitive Skin Soothing Serum. So is this probably for dry skin? I think so. But I have Oli Combo. I can probably pass this on to my mom. You do get 30 milliliters of product in it. I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. Okay, cool. It's just like this little pump right here. Murad, standard packaging. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Alrighty, I love Murad. Y'all let me know down below in the comments what y'all think of Murad. And last but not least, we have a palette. This is the Posh Powder Palette from Douce. I think it's Douce, or is it like douche. I don't know. I think it's douche. All right. I thought this first word was the F word, guys. When I first saw it, it looked like effer, but it's flicker. All right. So let's see what it looks like. Okay. I love palettes. Y'all know that. All right. So this is the outside packaging. And, oh, okay. So wait, is this like a face palette? Wait, oh, it's a blush and highlighter palette. We do get a mirror. Hey, boo. All right, loves. And this is the palette right here. On the bottom is the blush shades. Up here is the highlighter shades. Very beautiful. This middle shade will look beautiful on my complexion, I think. What y'all think? I think so. I love that they gave us a face palette, and it can work with a variety of skin tones. Love that. I'm all about including everyone. Y'all know that. All righty. So that was our last product in the plus. Let's do a quick recap, and I'm going to do final thoughts, and then we're going to be done. So we received this palette here from Douce, from Araceli, this beautiful bronze and olive liners with a sharpener. From Murad, this sensitive skin soothing serum. From Tarte, this mascara. And from Florence, the Tint and Tame brows. So these 5 products, my loves. All right, so for the plus, I really like the plus. We got a lot of makeup. 4 out of the 5 products were makeup products. So I am pretty pleased with this month's plus. I hope you guys' boxes resemble this very closely. I am really excited for that duo liner, the Douce palette, the mascara. Like, I am like stoked. I really like the plus over the Glam bag this month. So yes, let me know down below what you guys thought. Let me know if you got your boxes yet and what you would rate your own boxes. I want to know what you guys got and what you thought. As usual, per usual, whatever you say, I appreciate you guys tuning in and checking your girl out. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do so. Follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. All of those are down below. And also the Ipsy link is down below. I do appreciate Ipsy for sending this out to me to show you guys what you can expect for the month of August. I do appreciate you. So thank you guys. Thanks Ipsy so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I look forward to talking to you in the comments and on my next video. All right, loves. Bye.